Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will give you my honest review of Coupert. This is the best free extension for your browser if you want to save on your online purchases. So stay tuned because I will show you how you can get the best coupons on the internet and how you can earn cashback with Coupert, an amazing platform. You can get the link below this video. Check it out right away. And of course, all the important information and links are still there. I'm saving it for you. And don't forget to click the subscribe button if you still didn't do it. So yes, this is an amazing platform. Many people trust it. More than 6 million active users globally. It's weekly number, and 3 million users on mobile phones, which is a great number. What else? You can get this extension on all major browsers, and that's wonderful. Chrome, Opera, Firefox, whatever you need. And of course, you can do it on almost all major and famous websites for shopping. For example, Temu, Amazon, or AliExpress. And I will show you how it works. So first of all, of course, you can check out everything on the website of the Coupert, but on the personal page, I'm already logged in and I can see the websites where I can get the best cashback, and I can see exactly the numbers that are available right there. If you know the store, just go straight to the store, and with the extension, it will tell you if it's supported by Coupert. But for example, best discounts you can get, it's also available right here in your personal cabinet, coupons and cashback, so on and so forth. But as you can see, these are the major stores that are used by almost everyone in this world. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch to AliExpress to show you how it works with the coupons that it offers. For example, being on AliExpress and all the cashbacks that are available. So, as you can see, I'm at AliExpress website, and here it shows you the Coupert rewards, 1.6% and up to 3.8% cashback. And I can apply the rewards, all the terms and conditions for the cashback. And what is wonderful right here is that you don't need to go somewhere else. You get the important information right here on the coupons. A code success may depend on the items in your card, the order amount, and other potential factors. But for example, yes, you can see whatever coupons are right here. What I have is like around 20 or 20 plus coupons for this website. And there is one more feature that you need to know about because it can save you tons of money. It's the comparison of prices. I'm changing to another website so I can show you it in a proper way. It's Amazon. Let's check, for example, this washing machine. And what is beautiful right here, when you install it on your browser, Coupert will offer you other prices from other stores, which will be more beneficial to you than, for example, from the Amazon, where I'm seeing this washing machine. What I'm doing, so I can still track the price change. Yeah, get notified when the price drops. So it might be also very important for you, but low prices at 20 plus stores. I'm clicking on that. So what I'm having right here is top big options. For example, there is another website with Coupert with all these coupons and so on and so forth. The final price is going to be 744. Amazon price is 768, as you can see. Yep, so you have a variety of different choices where to choose from. And of course, you will have all the cashbacks included, you will have all the coupons included, and of course, the lower price on the market available. So go ahead and install Coupert to your browser because it will save your money. Please save your money with Coupert because it's easy to do and you can do it right from your laptop or from your mobile phone. It depends on you. And yes, remember that the important links are below this video because right there you can add this extension to your browser and start saving money on your online shopping. Yes, thank you very much for watching. I'll be back with new portions of important services like Coupert. Stay tuned. Bye bye.